Hi, I'm Norman from Get Set Up. Have you heard about Etsy? Etsy is a platform that's used to sell arts and crafts, and maybe you considered using it to sell some items that you have. Well, if you would like to get started in doing that, please join us in our class, Tips for Selling on Etsy. We'll discuss the Etsy platform and what types of products work best on this site. We'll also talk about how to create your Etsy page, how to upload pictures of your products, and how to price them. We'll also discuss what to do next after you've made a sale. So please join us. If you've ever considered, if you've bought things from Etsy, but you've always wondered what it's like on the other side, here's your opportunity to find out. I hope to see you in class and become a member of our Get Set Up community. Thank you.